Welcome to the Steel Yard. Today we're in the welding shop and we're going to be talking about a manual pipe notcher. So this tool is used for notching the end of pipes to be able to fit them together in a way that makes it really nice for welding. In particular, this machine has a capacity of Schedule 40 pipe, which means about an 1/8 inch thick wall. That's about as thick as we would go with mild steel. Today we're using a stainless steel pipe, which is about a 16 gauge or so stainless steel pipe. Again, that's probably as thick as we would go with stainless steel, but not too often in the shop do we even use stainless steel. So, right away there's a little holder for the handle extension. So up and down, we can kind of rest this like this while I get ready. There's 3 different dies on this pipe notcher. One is for 3/4 inch pipe, one is for 1 inch pipe, and one is for 1 1/4 inch pipe, which today this is what I have. I have 1 1/4 inch size pipe. So what I do is I insert the pipe until it bottoms out in the back of the machine. I start to bring the lever down. I can feel it engage, and you can see as I felt that engage, I could take my hand off this pipe because now it's kind of pinched in there. I will, as I follow through, I will rest my hand on it. If we were ever using a longer pipe, we could use a stand or a roller of sorts, or an extra hand, an extra person. So now that we have the pipe in our pipe notcher, what we'll do is we'll use this lever to simply pull down towards us, and what it creates is this little U-shaped piece of metal, which can be very sharp, so it's good to clean these up as soon as we're done. And what I get is that little half moon of a cut in this pipe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this pipe 180 degrees, and now I'm going to notch the other side. So now we can see a nice little half moon shape. If for any reason one of these little pieces of metal gets stuck in this pipe notcher, simply with the handle on or with the handle off, rock this handle back and forth in a motion like this, and it should dislodge what's in there and it should fall out. Cool. So we cut our little half moon shapes, we notched our pipes. Now when we go to weld, we have a very nice clean joint to be able to weld. So flat side of the pipe, right, before we would notch it, right, we can see how these don't really fit together in a nice, they don't settle together, they're not very snug, and so this is why we can notch a pipe.